guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be about detox waters. I feel like everybody is trying to get it right, get it tight for the new year, and this is the best time because it is January. Let's start some new habits today, including incorporating some water into our daily life. Now, doctors suggest drinking about 8 glasses of water a day, and I don't know about you guys, but if there's not any decoration or I don't know, even a cute damn cup. Like, I just can't drink water that much. I can't, girl. So this is gonna be the easiest way to get that done in a healthy way, in a delicious way, in a grammable, because you're gonna wanna do it for the gram, girl. Along with detox waters, I love juicing, but it can be really expensive. But my co-collaborator, Belinda SELENE, is actually gonna show you guys all the different ways that she's juicing to save money and maintain a nice healthy figure over on her channel. So here are a couple of words from my co-collaborator.
Hey guys, my name is Belinda SELENE and I am so excited to be doing this collaboration with Sonia because we are doing a detox video. So I will be sharing with you guys how to detox by going on a juice cleanse, and I love it. It has worked wonders for me. I have been able to lose weight and maintain it off and just keep a healthier lifestyle. So if you guys want to join me, make sure to come on over to my channel and subscribe, and I'll see you guys over there. Muchos besos. Mwah.
I love her and I know you guys will too, so make sure you guys stick around to the end of this video and then go check her out and subscribe. And now let's get started.
So the first thing you'll need is a cup or a jar. I love mason jars because they come in a bunch of different sizes, or you can use like a coffee tumbler, what have you, or even a water bottle with a diffuser cup installed inside. So like this one, you just unscrew it. It has this little container or contraption where you stuff all of your fruits and veggies and herbs inside of this container, and you can bring it on to go, or you can reuse your water bottles like this fancy one from Voss. But today I'm just going to be using a medium size mason jar, and it's got the markings on it for you so you know exactly how many ounces of water you're going to be using. And today in each mason jar we're going to be using 12 ounces of water, giving us plenty of room to add fruits and vegetables and herbs. So the first detox water is going to be lemon lime fine. And first up, we are going to be using some mint. This one in particular comes with a root so you can plant it and continue to grow this herb. It helps with upset stomachs, digestion, controls your cholesterol, and also helps with indigestion. So I'm just going to clip off a couple of these, not wanting to pull them off the root so I can plant them, and peeling off a few of those little leaves, adding that to my jar. And next we're going to be adding some lime, which also helps with weight loss, improved digestion, relief of constipation, girl, and also improves your skin. So we're going to cut these down to size and add a few of these to our jar. And then next up, we're going to be adding some lemon. Lemon is great for hydration. It improves the quality of your skin, weight loss, and also aids in digestion. Then toss in a few ice cubes and you're done. Next up is going to be detox water number 2, and this is the watermelon rose. I absolutely love this one for so many different reasons. Watermelon is one of my favorite fruits, and it's great because it adds extra hydration. It's high in vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids. Now, if you like your drinks to be a little bit more on the sweet side, you're going to add more watermelon than I did, but I personally like things to be less sweet, so I'm only adding a few. Next up, I'm going to be tossing in some rosemary, which helps with memory, also detoxifies your liver. Also, it stimulates hair growth, so don't add too much if you're not trying to have a hairy chest. So I'm going to pop those in. It smells so good, and the sap from the rosemary sticks to your hands and it smells so good. Add some ice cubes again, stir it up, and you're ready to drink. It's also the most easiest to maintain and grow, so look into it, guys. Next up, we have detox water number 3, which is spa water. This is the most common infused water, and we're going to be using mint, which helps with nausea. If you always have like upset stomach or feeling like you're going to barf, it's like the best. Also, cucumber helps to flush toxins and cuts down the cancer risk, so I'm going to pop those in as well. And I'm going to add some lemon, which helps to freshen your breath. It also prevents kidney stones, which are super painful, so add in a few of these. And ta-da! So beautiful and so good. Even if you let it sit for about 20 minutes in the fridge, it's amazing. Next up is detox water number 4, sweet citrus mint. And of course, we have the star of the show, is mint. This helps with soothing of digestion or indigestion if you guys have heartburn or stomach aches. It's just the best herb ever. Strawberries boosts the immune system. Oh my gosh, I feel like everybody's dying off thanks to the flu. So make sure you eat tons of strawberries. And of course, cucumbers, which are high in nutrients and low in calories. So you're not going to feel bloated or completely stuffed to the max. Grapefruits are great for decreased appetite if you guys are trying to regulate your calorie intake. So just pop those in, add some ice cubes, and you're ready to drink. Next up is going to be the final detox water, and I'm calling it bedtime because it's perfect to drink before going to bed. Time actually helps with treating bedwetting, which could be a really problem with your children. Also diarrhea, stomach aches, and arthritis. And also a cough. I know there's a lot of people who are getting colds, so thyme is just so great to add to your waters, and also making it a tea out of it as well. You just boil it up. But I'm going to add this to my cold water, pairing it up with my favorite citrus fruits, including lemon, lime, and grapefruit. I love citrus, especially around the winter time when you need to build up that immune system. It also helps with weight loss, digestion, and it is a blood sugar regulator for all of you diabetics out there. This is the perfect concoction to have in your fridge on a daily basis. You'll go through it so quickly, I promise.
And that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yourself. I know I did. I am filled with water, feeling hydrated. And hopefully you guys can leave your thoughts, requests, and comments in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!